Now, if you are using the Autopilot add-on within Augmentt, you have some additional options with the security posture. You can utilize our posture templates. With the posture templates, instead of going through the security posture one check at a time, you can create templates or use existing templates from Augmentt to apply multiple settings at once within a customer's environment. There are 4 default posture templates that Augmentt provides. You cannot edit these, but you can duplicate them and then edit the copies. And if you click into any of the existing templates, you can see what the posture checks are that we are modifying and what compliance status we're going to modify them to. You do have the ability to duplicate existing templates and edit those copies, or you can create brand new templates as well. When you create a new template, you can name it whatever you'd like, and then you can add an optional description. And then you can go through each of the available posture checks and determine which ones you'd like to include in your template and what compliance status you want to set these to. Once you have configured your template, hit the Save Template button. Now that we've looked at the posture templates and even created one of our own, let's head back to the security posture and select a client. And now we're going to click on the Protect tab. From here, we can select which posture template we want to assign to this client. We can review our selection, and when you're ready, hit the Configure All button. Once you hit Configure All, that will go through and begin changing these posture items to whatever you have selected in the posture template.